What excites me the most about being a part of this program would be all the opportunities I get to have. So cruises are wonderful, also going out and doing field work. I also get the opportunity to collaborate with a lot of different researchers, not just my PI, but it's really helped me solidify that this is what I want to do in the world and this is my place, and I've found kind of my niche.
So being part of the LTER is absolutely critical for putting my work in perspective. I am a PhD student and I'm working with Professor William Burt on ocean optics. And I am working on research that will hopefully have impacts on food security all the way to climate change.
I am going into my PhD in the oceanography department at UAF, and I'm here assisting Jake and the Strome lab, and we're collecting microbes for DNA to see what the community composition looks like, as well as some flow cytometry. So hopes and goals I have for this project and other ones are to learn more, gain more knowledge about the Gulf of Alaska and how this affects some of our aquatic ecosystems and what this means for us and the communities there as well.
So I'm looking at the calvet nets, specifically the 53 mesh, which is a very tiny mesh. And so that means that we get a lot of gelatinous stuff in there that is normally so fragile that you can't identify it to the species level. And so I'm looking specifically at mucus net feeders that include shelled pteropods, larvaceans, doliolids, and cells.
What excites me most about the NGA LTER is just how great of an opportunity it is to be working with such knowledgeable PIs and working with them and learning from them all at the same time. And getting to do it in an environment like this, where we're in the middle of the ocean, it's hands-on, it's real life, and even though somebody at home might not know what I'm talking about when I talk about dissolved iron, the people here get it and they understand it, and it's really great to have found your people, essentially.
One thing that's really unique about this program is that it really ties together the different facets of oceanography. So it's really cool to be able to come out here and see kind of all the discrete sections of the field kind of come together. And you need to have a group of people working together, and not just scientists as well. None of this would be possible without the crew from the science techs who run the CTD and the cooks who make all the awesome food. So it's not a one-person thing, it's very much a team effort.
I am a graduate student studying plankton ecology for the NGA LTER. NSF in general, in particular the LTER, does a lot of education and outreach, and so beyond the science that's happening, that on the grounds important science, we're trying to disseminate the results and get students involved and get high schoolers and elementary school kids involved and making sure that they're learning about the work that we're doing and learning about the oceans through this.
Well, the LTER provides this opportunity to go out and do some novel science because they go out regularly, they go out routinely, so we can do kind of our standard stuff, but we can also innovate. We can try out new experiments, we can take new measurements, and we can see what that tells us about the system. What really motivates all of us to get out of bed every morning, regardless if it's midnight or noon or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, is being able to go out and actually do your science and learn something new, fundamentally novel about the environment, and to hopefully make the world a better place because of it.